Hello guys, how you doing? Everything going on good? So we're back with Angularjs. So as you see, last time what we did was we were working on these Angular stuff. You know what I want to do? I want to learn Angularjs no matter what. Angularjs is it's so good. It's a JavaScript framework, as you know. And learning Angularjs is everything. After Angularjs, I'll move on to React, maybe Vue. If you heard Vue.js, Vue.js is good. And I'll learn Vue.js, and then after that we learn React, or maybe AngularJS then React, and then Vue.js. Vue.js most probably they use it for Laravel, but we'll see what we're gonna do right now, and then we'll go on. Because if you see, most people they're getting paid. If you go look at the career perspective, JavaScript is one of the best things. So let's go ahead and learn AngularJS. So services, here we are. Services. Okay, if you want any background music, you can tell me so I can put on some background music. So you actually get it all. Okay. So and the last time you couldn't see my what did we call this? You couldn't see that. Now you can see it clear. That's good. And I have high repositories. Let's start with services. What can services do? So before that, let me ng serve this cd to the stop ls, not I, ll, I don't know, list maybe, I don't know, I use Ubuntu so I'm not familiar with this. So let's cd into Angularjs app. That's what I'm using now. Yeah, Angularjs app, and ng serve should serve it. So we can start working on it. So any changes we do here will be changed in the browser for us. So once that gets loaded, we go right ahead. So before that, let's see services. So what is a service? Again, let me tell you that I'm learning with you at the same time. So if you learn, I can just be like a study buddy or something, or it's just a programming stuff. So I'm learning AngularJS. If you want, you can go ahead and learn it at the same time with me. So you'll have someone like learning with you, maybe of the same, maybe in the same class or something. And if you have any doubt, anything you want to chat around, you can come in and chat. So I get it all, yeah, 720p. So if you have any chat or something, I get it right here. So here we go. I finished all this last time. It's not once we get over this tutorial, if you finish the tutorial stuff, we can start making apps. So anytime we have a doubt or something, we can come back and read this in here, and we can read this up, and then we know what's exactly happening. And that's what I do when if you want to learn English or anything, you just start, you go ahead and start doing it. Once you start doing it, you'll have doubts and you have to come back. What I use when I'm learning Laravel. Laravel is again a PHP front-end, PHP backend framework. It's a framework of PHP. So when I'm learning Laravel, what happens is I go ahead, and if I have any doubt, I go ask in Stack Overflow. I have this thing called Lara Chat, where you can chat any questions about Lara Chat in Slack. I use, so any question you got, the community is here. I don't think Angular has a community, so I was just googling how long to learn AngularJS and stuff. Let's go ahead and see how long is it going to take to learn AngularJS. I give it, say, if you're an experienced guy, you probably know how long it's going to take. But for us, if you're new to, see, always the first framework is going to be tough. Not tough, it's going to have a steep learning curve. Even AngularJS has a steep learning curve. Vue.js is very easy, but it's not so popular. But right now, if you see AngularJS statistics, AngularJS, how many people, where it's used, AngularJS used, and actually I forgot the word. Okay, it's analytics. AngularJS analytics, analytics. There you go. So you come to know how much analytics in Google. So how many times it's searched Google, how many times it's been searched and all that. Google Map. So it tells you where it's been used. Let's go to images. Maybe it's in here. I don't know. So where is it? It's gotta be somewhere here. if it is, I say AngularJS has been used. Okay, well, like, why don't we just go right and AngularJS versus Vue.js versus React. So okay, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So once I get loaded, I don't know if you guys understand German or whatever language it is. You see, AngularJS is always on top. It's always been used. Vue.js is yellow. It was going up, going. React is the second most popular framework, but React it's not actually like a framework. It's a library. It's a JavaScript library. AngularJS is the full framework, and then we have Vue.js is also a framework. So AngularJS is good. See, GitHub stars, it's always rated at 5.9. Okay, this is 5, but I don't know what it is. Okay, GitHub contributions. Okay, Amber.js has been contributed more, but which year is this? I don't know. According to me, AngularJS or Vue.js, anything, you pick any JavaScript framework. But right now I want to learn AngularJS. Okay, this guy is so cool. I was reading this guy's blog article. You know what he says in the last? Decide on JavaScript framework. So you have made a decision. If you can't decide, first learn React, then Vue, then Angular. It's actually your choice again, but I'm going for Angular because that's where all the job is. That's where you get your jobs. It's not again the jobs, but you must love what you do. That's the main thing. JavaScript is a good framework stuff. I'll go with Angular because for jobs you can use creative thinking. You can cover many problems. It's gonna be more fun. So AngularJS, and then maybe React, and then Vue. I learn all of these. JavaScript is JavaScript is the main stuff right now. So all the people in Australia, happy Australia Day. Today is Australia Day. January 26th is Australia Day. Alright. Okay, so let's see. Services. The tour of heroes. Hero component is current. Okay, why don't we go ahead from the beginning and see what's happening? I'll just revise because I've been off like around a week or something, so I wasn't here. So let's see. We're gonna make the application shell. This npm install -g is to install it globally, and Angular CLI is the thing which you want to install. After you install it globally, you type ng new Angular tour of heroes. So Angular tour of heroes is the name of the app, and you're making a new Angular app. That's what I'm trying to tell them. And disclaimer again, I'm just learning with you guys, so I'm not actually a professional or something. I'm just going and learning this stuff. Okay, after server-side application, we're saying go to the project and launch the application. To launch it, you have to cd into the drive, or cd into the file, and ng serve. Ng serve will serve it on the browser, and you can and now it will serve it. See, once it's served, you can access it on localhost 4200, or if you press if you type in --open, you'll get a new browser. It'll open in your default browser, maybe with Firefox or Chrome or whatever you use. It'll open it automatically. So I put an ng serve. So let's go to localhost 4200, and there Angular 2 of you. This is what we did last time. It is good. I can still tell you, even though I did so much, we're just getting. I still don't know most of it. I don't know anything, but once you do the tour, the full complete tour, you at least have an idea of what to do. So let's do this. So we got this ham component, the TH with it in TypeScript. We got HTML, we got CSS with all the CSS. We have a component. Last time I remember we made components. Okay, heroes is a component, hero details is a component. So what happened last time is, let's go to the app. We made this is the default app. Okay, oh shit, sorry. This is the default app. We're just giving the template the URL. That means when the app boots, or when the app starts, it renders the HTML app.component, whatever HTML. Yeah, you can go to index.html and see we're going to use approot. Approot, just think it's like a model or something, or a package or a bag that's containing what you're defining what this actually does. So app.root is this. What the heck is it got? Okay, let's close the other one not to get confused. So app that, oh, this is not that. App that, okay, Okay, component. Okay, app root. This is the main app root. This is the root. This is the starting point of the application, and this is the tag. We use this and we give it the title Tour of Heroes, and this title was rendered here, welcome to Tour of Heroes, and that should be here if it is. Okay, welcome to Tour of Heroes, and that is what here it is. And then we have app heroes. Okay, I'll be white back.